Hello, welcome. Question 33, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. We have to simplify the root 5 root 28 times 2 root 27 divided by the root of 50 times the root of what? 21. You know, in the multiplication of set, the numbers outside the set multiply together. Those within the set also, the roots also multiply together. So let's see. 5 can be maintained. The root of 28 is 4 times 7. Then times these two will be outside. The root of 27 is also going to be 9 times 3 divided by root 50 is the root of 25 as a perfect factor times 2. 25 times this 50, then the root of 21, which cannot be simplified. Now, in this is root 4 times root 7, and root 4 will give you 2. 2 times 5 will give us 10, then root 7. This is going to be 3 times this will be 6. So 6, the root of 4, 3 divided by the root of this will be 5. So 5 root 2 times the root of 21. Nothing can be done again. So now let's multiply the rationals together. 10, 6, 60. The root of 7 times 3, 21. Okay. So the down, I will maintain the 5 root 2 times the root of what? 21. Since I'm seeing root 21 as a factor for both the numerator and the denominator, this will cancel this. I can see that this will go here 1, go here what? 12. So in that case, I should be left with 12 in the numerator, then the root of 2. But that can be rationalized to remove the surd in the denominator. So let's multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that value in the denominator. And that gives you 12 root 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give us what? 2. And 2 can go there. 6. And that will give us 6 root 2. And let's check the option. 6 root 2. That will be the option D as the best choice. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.